Find the critical points of f of x equals 10x times the quantity 2 minus ln of x, but only on the interval 1, comma e squared. To find the critical points, we first need to find the derivative, because the critical points is where the derivative is 0 or where the derivative is undefined. At prime of x, using the product rule, there are two factors in f of x. The derivative of the first factor is 10 times the second factor using the product rule, plus 10x times the derivative of the second factor, which is 0 minus 1 over x. The derivative of 2 is 0, and the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. This is 20 minus 10 ln of x plus 10x times 0 is 0, and 10x times minus 1 over x is minus 10. Simplifying this, we have 10 minus 10 ln of x. We then set the derivative equal to 0, because if the derivative is 0 at c, then c is a critical point. If we set 10 minus ln of x equals 0, we would first factor out 10 to get 1 minus ln of x times 10 equals 0, and we divide by both sides by 10. 0 over 10 is 0. The right hand side is now 1 minus ln of x. Ln of x equals 1, so x has to be e. We can either e both sides of the equation, or ln of e is 1. On the interval 1 to e squared, e is within this interval. And so we say that f has a critical point x equals e. To be thorough, we should check to see where f prime of x is undefined. F prime of x is undefined for 0 or negative value of x, but 0 and negative x are not within this interval. So the only critical point is x equals e. Find the critical points of g of x equals x to the 2/3 only on the interval negative 2, 3. G prime of x is using the power rule, 2/3 x, 2/3 minus 1 is minus 1/3. Because of the negative power, we rewrite this as 2 over 3 x to the 1/3 in the denominator. This will never be 0. If we set it equal to 0, we won't be able to solve it. But we noted that since x is in the denominator, g prime of x is undefined when the denominator is 0. And the denominator is 0 when x is 0. And so even though there is no value of x such that g prime of x is 0, but there is one value of x where g prime is undefined. And so x equals 0 is within the given interval, negative 2 to 3. We say that x equals 0 is a critical point.